Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Apologies for the jump scare. I normally try to put on some makeup for these videos, but for this silk press video I just didn't feel like it, and I'm gonna have to jump in the shower anyways to wash my hair, so it just doesn't make sense. But anyways, this is a highly requested video from you guys, how I do my silk presses at home. And I don't want to like toot my own horn, but every person of color that I meet here in Germany, or just in general with my comments on social media, everyone's always asking like, who do I go to get my hair done? How do I do my hair? What stylist do I use, etc. And I basically do my own hair. I literally learned how to silk press my hair since moving abroad. There are a lot of methods on how to do this. I'm gonna just share what I do. Sometimes I switch it up, sometimes I don't, but this is kind of generally what I do to blow out and silk press my hair at home. If you guys have been keeping up with my other silk press videos, I've done a few. My thing is just being minimal. I don't want to do a lot of work. I just want to do my hair and just go on about my day. I do not have a perm, or there's no chemicals in my hair. I did dye my hair black last year, end of last year, but since then it's kind of just, you know, my natural color growing out. So first of all, I always have a scalp oil. So that's how I start. I wake up in the morning, if it's wash day, you know, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and then I go on to put an oil in my scalp. And this is actually one that my mom made. Look at some natural scalp oil remedies. I think it's very, very easy to make. You can use castor oil and some other bits. I don't know what she has in here, but she made this for me. I just run that through my scalp. I don't part my hair. I don't get a comb. It's nothing crazy like that. Just run it through like this, run it through like this, and then also in the back. And then after that, I massage the oil in. And then once I'm done with my scalp oil, I move in with another oil. Right now I'm using the Jamaican castor oil. It is really, really good for your hair, your skin, and it does promote hair growth. Specifically this one, it's a growth oil. So I do run that then on the top of my hair and then on the ends of my hair. And then I just like massage that in, and then I put my hair in a claw clip like this, and then I just work. I do my normal work day. Now it's time to go shower and wash my hair and wash out the oils. Right now I am using this Kristen S micellar shampoo. After the shampoo, I go in actually with my strengthening mask, and this is from Mel. I'm not good with pronunciation. This next step I don't do every single time. I do it quite sporadically, like maybe once a month or maybe once every 2 months. You should be doing this more often. It does help strengthen your hair. I'm going to do it for you guys today. With the mask, once you're in the shower, you lather that up, you finish showering, and then you exit halfway through. You get this heat cap, and then I like to sit under there for about 10 minutes to let the mask sink into my hair. And then once that 10 minutes is done, I head back into the shower, wash that out, and then I go in with my conditioner. So this is also by Kristen S. This is an extra gentle conditioner, moisturizing and shine renew. You can use any single conditioner. I don't like to wait too long to blow my hair, so I just got dressed and I want to show you guys what I put in my hair right before a blowout, and also what tools I will be using to blow this out. So it will only be 2 things that I'm using in my hair. First of all, I've been loving this Amika Blockade Heat Defense Serum. This has been a game changer for my hair, especially in the summertime. I love using this. It keeps like my frizz and everything just down. And you guys always ask me like, how do I keep my hair straight during the summer hotter months? And it's because of this, as well as wrapping my hair every night. But this has been really helpful. And this next thing is my ride or die. I freaking love this thing. It makes my hair smell so, so good. It's so addicting. Oh my god, it just smells like lemon, cinnamon, like Christmas. So I put that on first, and then I go in with the Super Milk conditioner spray. Now I'm gonna do like a general spray, and then I'm gonna go into sections, comb it out, and then do the same thing. So the blow dryer that I am using is this one from GRT Pro 8800. It looks like this. It's a pretty heavy duty blow dryer. It blow dries my hair really, really well, but I think any blow dryer will do. I also had the Philips in my previous videos, and that also blew up my hair pretty well. Or if you have a blow dry brush, also really great. But right now I prefer to use a blow dryer. I like to also operate with 2 clips. We're just gonna part the hair in the center, and then I'm just gonna take a little section here, claw clip up the rest, and then I'm just gonna spray through with my Super Milk again. And then I just have this bristled brush, just going to brush it out. And there we go. We have all the product worked into the hair. Get a brush that looks like this. This is what I use to blow my hair out. I do know some salons, they use this type of brush versus this one, but this one, I don't know. I feel like I don't get the results I want with this one. So I prefer this type of bristle. And I basically learned how to blow my hair out from watching my Dominican hairstylist blow my hair out for years. So just replay this video as many times as you need to kind of get the method, but it's really just like muscle memory, and that's kind of how I do it. I don't know a specific technique, I just kind of blow it out. I just like to put the brush on like this. I have a pretty tight grip. I take this, and that's basically how I do that. You can see my hair is also not even like the straightest it could potentially get, but I don't really care. I normally just blow it out until everything is straight. Once everything is more or less straight, we go in with the flat iron, and that's where all the magic happens. Okay, so my hair is blown out. This is how it's looking right now. I have the flat iron plugged in, and we're going to start that process. So I'm using the Babyliss. I've had this flat iron for so long, I think the name has actually rubbed off, but I'm using the Babyliss flat iron. I don't know what the model number is, and I put it at 220 degrees Celsius every time. The tools that I'm going to be using is going to be a comb just to comb through my hair, and then also this handy dandy hair comb thing where you can kind of grip the hair and then flat iron at the same time, so you have this separator in between the flat iron and the hair. I'm just gonna put this section up completely, and then I just like to pull out the edges around my face just so I can get that first before I flat iron. So pulling that all out. So we're all done flat ironing the parameter of my hairline, and now I'm just gonna go back in and take out some sections. I like to always start in the back. I think that's standard, and then just flat iron. And I also don't have a set number of, you know, pass-throughs. I generally do like to go in with 2, but if I feel like the hair is not straight enough, I'll go in with more, or as much is needed to get the hair straight. Okay guys, so my hair is completely flat ironed. I also decided to, you guys cannot really tell, but I did decide to bump the ends. I feel like I just like how my hair turns out in the morning when they're bumped the night before. So I just bumped the ends. This is the finished product. So I love how this looks. I think it looks even better in the morning. I'm gonna show you how I seal everything. This has been my holy grail oil for I don't know, years. Like, this bottle is actually now gonna be finished, but I've had this for years. This is from Nexus. It's the Clean and Pure Nourishing Detox 5-in-1 Invisible Hair Oil. I just take about 2 scoops and then I massage it through my ends. It also smells amazing. And then bring it up to the roots. And this just helps seal in all of the silkiness that I've just created. Hope you guys can see that and not just my big eyes. I'm a queen of wrapping my hair. I wrap my hair every single night. That is the key, and it's also critical to maintain your silk press. A trade secret, which I have not told anybody in any of my hair videos. It's something that me and my friend made up since high school, but we did do research on it, and supposedly it's better to alternate your wraps every night. So tonight, right now for you guys, I am going to be wrapping it, I guess this would be clockwise. So I'm going to the right. And then for example, tomorrow I would wrap it to the left. It's a little bit tedious because you have to remember which side you wrapped, but I normally always remember, and then I just always alternate. And I know some folks are gonna be like, how do you wrap your hair? Again, I'm gonna teach you guys a little secret which I learned in high school. The keys to wrapping your hair yourself is basically you need to maintain a hand here in the middle of your head. That's all you need to do. Every way you go, you maintain that hand. Maybe you help the hair come around, but your hand needs to be in the middle of your head at all times to kind of keep that wrap stable. And as you can see, I do one at the bottom and one at the top. Now the last step, how I like to seal my hair, is with the olive oil nourishing sheen spray. I think this is from the brand. This is from the brand 𝗙𝗀𝘀. I've been using this since, again, high school. This is like a trade product in the Black community. So yeah, I just use this to kind of set the hair. Not too much though. And then I take a fresh new headscarf. In Jamaican patois we say 𝗙𝗀𝘀. I take my 𝗙𝗀𝘀 and I wrap my hair, and I put this on my hair, and that's basically how I go to bed and how I maintain my silk press. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions on anything that I do, or the tools, or the process. I'll try to answer you the best way that I can. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in another video.